Alright guys, today we're working on buffing these headlights on the GX470. As you can see, they're not in terrible shape. However, right over the top you can see the yellowing right about here. So we're going to see if we can improve upon that. And let's look at the driver's side. Driver's side is probably a little bit worse. You can see how kind of murky and unclear that is. Overall headlight is in decent shape, but it's the fine detail that we're going to try to improve upon. Okay, stick around. And that's what I used. I'll just wash the pad and reuse it. Pretty good. These are not brand new, obviously, but we removed some yellowing and hazing off the top of the headlight. So these are looking sharp now. Today we're testing out torque detail reverse, which is the scratch and swirl remover, basically a polishing compound. So we're going to try this on my slightly hazed and scratched headlights and see if we can polish that out. I'm going to bring you a little closer to show you what we're kind of dealing with. You can see how hazy the surface is, some scratches. Multiple scratches over the headlight. Looks like these have been attempted to be polished earlier. See all the multitude of scratches. So we're going to see if we can rescue that at all. Overall, it doesn't look bad at all, so I don't think we need 1500 or 3000 sandpaper on this, but there is some oxidation. You can kind of see that's beginning over this area here. The light is pretty clear in this region. But then as we get a little bit towards the top, you can see it's getting that yellowing over here. So let's see if that polish will remove it. Here is the swirl remover. We are ready to rock with this. Pop that open. Let's put a few little drops. Okay. You can see the pad is getting dirty. Sounds like it's time for a new battery. A little more compound. All right, I think that cleaned up the headlight really nicely. I'll bring you in just a second. And this headlight is looking simply stunning. Okay, in case if you're wondering what kit I used, this was actually from an old job. I did a polishing headlight restoration on a Suzuki SX4 for a friend of mine. And then I just had the drill attachment left over. Of course, all the polish and everything is gone. I did not use the sandpaper here, but this is just the head that I used for my drill attachment, so that came in the kit, and that's what I used. I'll just wash the pad and reuse it, and here we go. That's what it looks like. So most of the yellowing is gone. There are some maybe micro scratches still visible on the surface. It's not perfect, but what an improvement. Now I'm gonna put some type of sealant on this, perhaps ceramic sealant, so that way it'll last me a little bit longer, but I am happy with the outcome of this. This headlight is looking great. And I've recently updated the low beam headlights and the GRL lights on this too, so that is looking nice. And then I will need to do the passenger side next. I'm pretty happy with the results now. So we can improve upon this hazing up here and just a little bit up here, this upper lip. The lower portion doesn't look too bad, but let's see if we can polish that. Yep, I think now it looks pretty good. Let me bring you in. Here is the finished product. A little bit of polishing compound, and the yellowing that was up here is pretty much disappeared now. And this is a good looking headlight. We just need to seal it with some ceramic coating now, and should be good to go. I like it. The headlight is looking awesome. And I just used a little bit of Seal & Shine, and that's a hybrid synthetic sealant with a little bit of, I guess, ceramic coating, if you will. And this is a wrap up of this quick fun project of refreshing the headlights. I did this with just some polishing compound, handy dandy drill, and Seal & Shine by Turtle Wax as a coating on top. This is looking pretty good. These are not brand new, obviously, but we removed some yellowing and hazing off the top of the headlight, so these are looking sharp now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please follow me by subscribing to my channel, and we'll be doing some more projects this summer on the Xterra and the GX. Thanks for watching.